Are you looking for the best mini Chinese drones? In this video we will look at some of the best mini Chinese drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Xiaomi Mijia V198 Max Drone. Xiaomi Mijia V198 Max Drone creates a feeling of freedom that many people quietly search for during busy days. When someone imagines open skies, calm mornings, or golden evenings, this flying companion connects emotions with motion. Every journey becomes a personal story where memories feel alive, meaningful, and deeply satisfying. This aerial partner suits dreamers who want more than ownership, because it delivers confidence, pride, and inspiration through every moment above ground. Flying becomes a peaceful escape after long work hours, helping the mind slow down while eyes follow smooth movement. Travelers feel closer to nature, creators feel braver expressing vision, and families feel joy watching scenes unfold together. This experience builds trust, turning curiosity into attachment, then transforming interest into desire. Each flight feels gentle, controlled, and reassuring, making beginners comfortable while exciting passionate explorers. People often search online for a reliable flying camera that matches ambition and lifestyle. This model answers that desire by blending smart design with emotional satisfaction. It encourages creativity without pressure, allowing moments to unfold naturally. Owners feel proud sharing captured memories, knowing every scene carries clarity, balance, and beauty. That pride becomes motivation to explore further horizons. Buyers usually choose with heart first, then mind follows. This drone speaks directly to feelings of confidence, excitement, and calm. It supports self-expression, personal growth, and memorable adventures without complexity. Choosing this aerial companion means choosing joy, calm focus, and meaningful experiences. That decision stays rewarding long after the first flight, creating lasting value beyond expectation, while silently becoming part of daily inspiration. Number 2. Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS Drone. Xiaomi A1R 3S GPS drone brings a quiet sense of excitement that grows before takeoff. Many people dream about touching the sky, feeling control while watching the world move gently below. This flying companion speaks to that hidden wish. It creates moments where stress fades and curiosity returns, turning ordinary days into unforgettable memories. Every flight feels like personal freedom shaped by imagination. Creative minds often search for a tool that understands emotion, patience, and vision. This aerial partner encourages exploration without pressure. Calm movement builds trust, while smooth direction gives comfort to first-time users. Travelers feel closer to landscapes, families feel happiness together, and creators feel proud sharing captured stories. That pride slowly becomes attachment, then confidence. Online searches show rising interest for smart aerial devices that feel reliable and inspiring. This model answers emotional needs first, then practical thoughts follow naturally. Ownership feels meaningful because each journey connects heart and mind. The feeling of watching scenes from above brings peace, excitement, and satisfaction together. Buyers usually decide when imagination meets assurance. This drone supports self-expression, peaceful escape, and joyful discovery. It fits lifestyles that value calm control and creative growth. Choosing this companion means choosing balance, clarity, and inspiration. That choice rewards owners with lasting happiness, gentle excitement, and memorable experiences that continue long after landing. Number 3. Xiaomi Mijia V168 GPS Drone. Xiaomi Mijia V168 GPS drone speaks to people who secretly admire the sky and wish to see life from a wider angle. Daily routines often feel heavy, yet one gentle flight can refresh thoughts and awaken imagination. This flying companion invites curiosity, patience, and wonder, helping the mind slow down while the heart feels lighter. Each moment above ground becomes personal, meaningful, and deeply satisfying. Many buyers look for an aerial partner that matches emotion rather than complexity. This model connects dreams with motion, allowing peaceful exploration without stress. Beginners feel comfortable, while creative thinkers feel encouraged to express vision naturally. Travel lovers sense closeness with nature, and memory collectors feel joy preserving special scenes for future smiles. That emotional bond grows quietly with every journey. Search trends show rising interest for trusted aerial devices that feel inspiring instead of confusing. This drone answers that desire by offering reassurance and harmony. Ownership brings confidence, making users feel capable and proud. Sharing captured moments builds happiness, while personal discovery brings calm energy back into everyday life. Purchasing decisions often begin with feeling understood. This aerial companion supports imagination, relaxation, and personal growth. It fits lifestyles shaped by creativity and gentle adventure. Choosing this model means choosing balance, inspiration, and emotional value. Long after landing, the experience stays alive in memory, quietly reminding owners why they followed their curiosity and trusted their desire to explore beyond limits.